Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the lesson algebraic identities. Now what is an identity? It is the product, okay, it is the multiplication. So in the first identity, a plus b the whole square means what? A plus b into a plus b. When you multiply, you will get the answer a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So already it is given. We are not supposed to multiply and then write the answer. So the identity means already it is given. The answer is given. A plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now using this identity, we have to find the value of the given expression. Okay. So 3x plus 4y the whole square. Find using the identity 1. So this is a plus b the whole square. It is in that format. So now on the right side you write a is equal to how much? A is equal to 3x and b is equal to how much? 4y. For your convenience, you have to write this. Now, the identity is a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, a squared, what you have to write? 3x the whole square. Within the bracket you have to write plus 2ab. 2 into a is 3x, b is 4y plus b square means what? 4y the whole square. Don't forget to put the brackets, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Now 3 square is 9x square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 xy plus 4 square is 16 y square. Okay. Now coming to the example 2, evaluate means find the value of 42 squared by using identity 1. So 42 square can be written as 40 plus 2 the whole square. Isn't it? 40 plus 2 the whole square is a 42 square. So is it in the a plus b format? Yes, a plus b the whole square. Okay, now a is how much? It is 40 and b is how much? It is 2. Now you write 40 plus 2 the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square. Put the value 40 the whole square. 2ab, 2 into a is 40, b is 2 plus b square, that is 2 square. Now 40 square, 4 square is 16. If there is 1 0 in square, it will be 2 zeros. Squares and square roots, that lesson you have to remember. Now 1 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 2 square is 4. Now add by horizontal addition 0 0 4. 1's place, 10's place 0 6. 100's place 6 plus 1 7, 1000's place 1. Answer is 1764. Did you understand? In the exam you have to write the identity 1. So whenever you get this, write a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared 2ab plus b squared and then proceed. So here all the sums are in the first identity, that is why I am not writing the identity. Okay. So now coming to the worksheet 1, 2x plus 5 the whole square. So in worksheet 1, first time we will write what is the identity? A plus b the whole square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b square. One time we will write, then continue, but in the exam you have to write. Okay. Now 2x plus 5 the whole square. Now a is equal to how much? First term, that is 2x. B is the second term, that is 5. Put it within the bracket. Now a square, that is a 2x the whole square, plus 2ab, 2 into a is within the bracket, a is 2x, b is 5 plus b square, 5 square. Now 2 square is 4, this is x square, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, x plus 5 square is 25. Hope you understood. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So first write a is equal to how much, b is equal to how much, and put the values and find the square, and in the center, that is, you have to multiply. Now 8x plus 3y the whole square. So first you write a is equal to, first term is 8x, b is equal to second term 3y. Now a squared, it is 8x the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a is 8x, b is 3y plus b squared, 3y the whole square. Now 8 squared is 64 x squared plus 2 3s are 6, 6 8s are 48 x y. When you multiply the smaller numbers and then with the bigger number. It's easy to multiply. Plus 3 square is 9y square. So hope you understood the importance of the bracket. If you don't put the bracket, you will be writing 8x squared, here 3y squared. Okay, so that was a question number 1 and 2. Now coming to the question number 3, it is a fraction. So you have to be little bit careful. Okay, now a is how much? First term is 3 by 5 a, and b is equal to 2 by 3 b. Isn't it? Now put the values. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A is 3 by 5 a the whole square plus bracket open 2 into a is 3 by 5 a, b is 2 by 3 b. AB means multiplication sign, bracket close, b squared 2 by 3 b the whole square. Now numerator square, denominator square. 3 square is 9, 5 square 25 a square plus. Now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled, 1s are, isn't it? Now it is 2 2s are 4 upon denominator is 5, then AB plus 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 b square. Is it clear? You should be little bit careful with the fractions and the decimals. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is A is equal to, first term is 7PQ, B is equal to, second term 4AB. Now A squared, 7PQ the whole square plus 2AB, 2 into A is 7PQ, B is 4AB plus B squared, that is 4AB the whole square. Now 7 squared is 49. Now P squared, Q squared. Individually you have to put the square, P squared, Q squared, plus 2 4s are 8, 8 7s are 56, PQAB, plus 4 squared is 16, individually A squared, B squared. See, here we can't proceed. Why? Because these are unlike terms. You can't add the unlike terms, isn't it? Now coming to the fifth sum, it's a decimal. So A is equal to, first is 0.2x, B is equal to, second term 1.5y. Now A squared, 0.2x the whole square plus 2AB, 2 into A is 0.2x, B is 1.5y plus, now B squared, 1.5y the whole square. Now in decimals, the square, 2 square is how much? 4. But in the decimal, 1 decimal square will be 2 decimal places. So here it is 1, 1, 2. Put a 0 on the left side and then the decimal point, x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 15s are 60. 15 4s are 60. But now it is 2 decimal, 1, 2, 1, 2. So in the decimal place, right side, if it is 0, it doesn't have the value. It is 0.6 xy plus 1.5, 15 squared, it is 225. 1 decimal, answer will be, square will be 2 decimal, 1, 2. Then y square. So decimal place, again I will repeat. So first you write 0.2x the whole squared and all. So इधर कैसे करने का है? 2 squared is 4, but 1 decimal का square में 2 decimal आता है, तो इसके लिए 1 decimal place and for the second decimal लेफ्ट में 0 डालकर फिर डेसिमल पॉइंट डालने का है. देन इट विल बी 0.04. ओके, इट वोंट बी 40. रिमेंबर, राइट साइड में 0 नहीं डालने का, लेफ्ट में डालकर फिर डेसिमल पॉइंट डालने का है. अब इधर 4 4s are 2 2s are 4, 4 15s are, it is 60. 16 4s are 60. 15 4s is 60. लेकिन इधर मल्टीप्लाई करने के वक्त 1 decimal 2 decimal you have to add, isn't it? Add the decimals means the one decimal multiplied by the one decimal place. In the answer it will be two decimal place. So 60 है ना, 1 2 देन डेसिमल प्लेस. लेकिन ये जीरो के लिए वैल्यू नहीं है. डेसिमल प्लेस में आप लोगों को राइट साइड में जीरो रहेगा तो उसका वैल्यू नहीं रहता है. कैंसिल करो, आंसर विल बी 0.6xy. अभी 15 का स्क्वायर 225 है. क्वेश्चन में 1.5 है. स्क्वायर ऑफ द वन डेसिमल विल बी टू डेसिमल. सो count from left side 1 2 and then decimal point. Now coming to the sixth sum, 2m squared, that is a is equal to 2m squared, b is equal to 3n squared. A squared, you have to put 2m squared the whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a is 2m square, b is 3n square. याद रखो ये ब्रैकेट में जो भी टर्म्स है उसके बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, फिर इधर प्लस b स्क्वायर दैट इज 3n स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर. नाउ 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, m स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर. द ब्रैकेट रहेगा तो इट इज अ मल्टीप्लाई द पावर्स. 2 2s are 4. Now it is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. m squared n squared plus 3 square is 9, n squared the whole square. Multiply 2 2s are 4. So n to the power 4. So this is the final answer. Hope everyone understood till here. So we have completed the question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. It is evaluate by using the first identity. So example 2 कैसा था वैसे करने का है. Now 101 can be written as 101 100 plus 1 the whole square, है ना. अभी a is equal to first term 100, b is equal to 1. Now a square, that is 100 the whole square plus 2 into a is 100, sorry, b is 1 plus b squared 1 square. Now 100 square लिखने के वक्त 1 square is 1. Now 2 zeros के जगह में 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. 10 square is 100, मतलब 1 square रहेगा तो 2 जीरो, 2 जीरो रहेगा तो 4 जीरो. ए स्क्वायर्स का लेसन का है. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 100 200 plus 1 square is 1. Now you add ones place, that is units place 1 0 0 1. Tens place it is 0, hundreds place it will be 2, thousands place 0, 10,000 place it is 1. Answer is 10,201. So आप लोग 101 square multiply करके देखो, it will be the same. So this is the easy method using the identity to find the product or the square. Now 52 square can be written as 50 plus 2 the whole square. Now A is equal to 50, B is equal to 2. A square that is 50 square. 2ab, 2 into a is 50, b is 2 plus b squared is 2 square. याद रखो, बार बार मैं बोल रही हूँ, ए बी 2ab मतलब 2 into a into b. Now 50 square, 5 square is 25, 1 0 in square it will be 2 0. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 1 0 plus 2 square is 4. Now horizontal addition, 0 0 4 ones place, tens place 0 0, hundreds place 5 plus 2 7, thousands place is 2. Answer is 2704. Now coming to the third sum, 8.1 the whole square can be written as 8 plus 0.1 the whole square. 8.1 can be written as 8 plus 0.1. A is equal to 8, B is equal to 0.1. Now A squared, 8 square, 2ab, 2 into 8 into b is 0.1 plus b squared 0.1 the whole square. 8 squared 64, 2 8s are 16, 16 1s are 16. But here it is 1 decimal plus 0.1 the whole square. 1 squared is 1. 1 decimal square will be 2 decimal. So it will be 0.01. Now add in the decimal place, this is a hundredths place 1, tenths place 0 and 6. Now ones place 1 plus 4, 5 and tens place 6. Hope you remember the decimals lesson from 5th standard, isn't it? So decimals place from the decimal point it will be tenths, hundredths, thousandths. First decimal, second decimal, third decimal. Accordingly you have to add. Now coming to the fourth sum, 203 the whole square. 200 plus 3 the whole square. A is equal to 200, B is equal to 3. It will be 200 the whole square, that is A square, 2AB, 2 into A is 200, B is 3, now B squared, 3 square. Now 200 square, 2 square is 4, 2 zeros in square we have to put 4 zeros plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 2 zeros plus 3 square is 9. Now ones place 0 0 9, hundreds place 0, sorry tens place 0, hundreds place it will be 2, thousands place it will be 1 and 10,000 place 4. So answer will be 41,209. Now coming to the fifth sum, it is 400 square, 410 square, that is 400 plus 10 the whole square. A is equal to 400, B is equal to 10. a square 400 square, 2ab, 2 into a is 400, b is 10 plus b square 10 square, 4 squared 16. I have already told 2 zeros you have to write, put 4 zeros in the square. To write the square, 4 square is 16. In place of 2 zeros, put 4 zeros. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 2s are 8. Plus 10 square. 10 square is 100. Why? 1 square is 1. 1 0, 2 zeros. Now ones and tens, it is 0. Hundreds, it is 1. Thousands, it will be 8. Then 10,000s, 6. Lakhs, 1. So answer will be 1,68,100. Okay, थोड़ा समझ के करो. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 10.2, 10 plus 0.2 the whole square. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 0.2. Okay, so it will be a squared, a is 10 square, 2ab, 2 into a is 10, b is 0.2. That's why we are writing this. It is easy to identify. Then b squared is 0.2 the whole square. 10 square is 100. 2 2s are 4. 4 10s are 40. Now 1 decimal, that means from right side 1 place छोड़कर decimal डालो. 4.0, that means 0 is cancelled, it is 4. Plus 2 2s are 4, 1 decimal, the square will be 2 decimal. Put extra 0, then decimal place and 0. Now these are whole numbers. Decimal के place में 0.04 directly. Now 4 plus 0 4, tens का place 0, 100 का place 1. It is 104.04. Hope you understood. We have completed worksheet 1, identity 1. A plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.